In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new revamp of the Google Drive video player. If you're familiar with Google Drive but haven't explored the video player yet, today's guide will walk you through everything you need to know to navigate it with confidence. First things first, let's move to the web browser of your choice. Once you've opened it, simply type Google Drive into the search bar. You'll want to click on the first link that appears, or ensure you're clicking the one with the URL drive.google.com. This will take you straight to the Google Drive homepage. Now, once you've reached Google Drive, it's typically the case that you'll be automatically logged in if you're already signed into your Google account. If not, this would be the time to enter your Google credentials, your email, and the corresponding password. Once logged in, you'll see your files displayed. Now it's time to select the video you want to play. Browse through your drive and click on that video file. The new video player will open, showcasing your selected video content. One of the innovative features in this new revamp is the sleek design where video controls are neatly placed below the video, rather than overlaid on top. This means you get an unobstructed view of the video itself. Pretty nifty, right? As the video plays, you might find the need to skip parts or replay them. This is where the fast forward and rewind buttons come in. These buttons allow you to skip forward or backward by 10 seconds each click, giving you the flexibility to catch up on any missed dialogue or action. Next, power over your playback experience doesn't stop there. By clicking on the playback speed option, you can adjust how fast or slow the video runs. So whether you need to speed through a lecture quickly or slow down to catch more detail, this option gives you control to suit your needs. Now, for those who appreciate or require subtitles, you'll be happy to know that turning on closed captions or subtitles is a breeze. Simply click the Subtitles Closed Captions button. You can easily toggle them on or off based on your preference. Finally, sometimes you just want a more immersive viewing experience. That's where the full screen option comes in. Look for the full screen icon, and by clicking it, you can have the video expand, taking up your entire screen, bringing all the focus to the content. And there you have it. A quick and comprehensive guide to getting the most out of the new Google Drive video player revamp. Play around with these features and let them enhance your viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.